Good morning. Happy Vlogmas Day 2. It is currently December 2nd, and we got a lot of decorating to do to get ready. Now, we got advent calendars. Why don't we open the advent calendars first, and we'll pick a coffee, drink some coffee out of that. I got a Christmas mug. And then get on to decorating. So let's begin. Don't fix on my pants. Anyway, okay. Should we do this one first? It is December 2nd. Reveal your treasure! Huh? You know, another thing I noticed with this advent calendar, remember I was like, oh, where's the 7? Where's the 1? It's in a line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's a layered chain with a moon with a star, and that kind of looks, I don't know if you can see, but it kind of looks like a Christmas star. It's really beautiful. And you got these little diamonds, like not diamonds, but you know, like rhinestones, and then a chain, and then this kind of swirly chain, and it's all connected. It's beautiful. Let's pick a coffee. The first one I pull out is breakfast blend. Let's try it out. Right before Thanksgiving, I went and did some Christmas shopping, and I'm going to show it to you. Basically, just a Dollar Tree haul. So, Eddie Vanna, insert right here. Look at all of these ornaments. We getting him. He's cute. Lights. Icicle, that's good. They have little Christmas trees. Nutcracker. I don't know how that guy said that. Some white Christmas tree. Big smash. Do I have this pink at home? This is a nice red color right here. Oh my goodness, look at this mug. I gotta get one. Look at this one. Happy holidays. That is so funny. We got what we needed. Now, move it on. Now, if I was watching up to this point, I would be asking, what did you buy? That is what this haul segment is for Christmas. First, we're starting out with Chunko here. That's what I'm calling him. He's a wooden soldier. Isn't he so sparkly and nice? Oh my goodness, one of his things is falling. He's made out of tinsel, and I think this is cardboard. And then if you turn him around, you can see that the tinsel's just like weaved into this plastic. But I love it. Chunko! He's going to be an awesome decoration. And plus, he's a wooden soldier. And if you've seen March of the Wooden Soldier, that is one of the greatest movies ever made. Babes in Toyland, March of the Wooden Soldier. Then you know me, I had to get some lights. So I got some Christmas lights that they had at Dollar Tree. I got like this little ropey light. I don't know what you call it. Then I got the star lights. This is going to be so fun to decorate with. And I got a Christmas tree ones. And I got the crystal-y ones. Also, I got a Nutcracker. And I love how he has like these nice pearlized pants. I call them pants, but I think they're tights actually. A little too tight, if you know what I mean. If you've seen this in real life, the Nutcracker. But I like to pearlize. Finish they gave him. He's got to go with the ballerina over here. You don't have to zoom in. You know, you don't have to come forward. But he goes with the ballerina over here because this Nutcracker has the heart of a prince. And I got 2 mugs. One snowman mug. I gave it to my dad. I got one for him. And then I got one for me. Happy Paws a Holiday. And it just got beans all over it. That's one thing I do. Christmas season is Dollar Tree mugs, Christmas mugs. I always buy them up because, well, I don't always buy one up. I bought one less. That was my fantasy because the next time I went, they were all gone. But in my fantasy, I always buy a bunch of mugs at Dollar Tree. In reality, I buy one and then go the next time and then they're all gone. But anyways, I got this one. Really cute. They got beans all over it. Look, it's covered in beans. You don't notice their Cobble Corner Winter Village is kind of just all sold out of my Dollar Tree. But I got the white trees this time. Remember we got the pink ones? Well, we got the white ones. Really nice. They got snow all over them. I got some poinsettias. I love poinsettias. And quick side note, did you notice that the 2022 Holiday Barbie this year has a poinsettia dress? Whoever designed that, that was a great idea. Because poinsettia's dress, I mean, I wish I had a poinsettia dress. I got Sucrose holding. I can't put my camera stand on right now, so Sucrose is holding the camera. And I got some toys. Also, I want to try these out. You can tell me if you tried them out too. This eye brush set. It's for, I don't know, eyeshadow. But I'm going to use it as a cleanup brush because some of these, they got kind of sharp edges to maybe clean up around your nails. I'm going to try them out. Because, you know, you clean up brushes, the more you dip them in acetone, they just kind of get raggedy and then you have to replace them after so-and-so time. I always get the Wet n Wild one that's like $1. Thank you, Sucrose, for holding the camera for me. Alright, we gotta let our decorating begin because I'm ready. I'm ready to deck the halls with balls of jelly. What is it?
Boughs of holly.
I totally got that wrong. Boughs of holly. We need boughs of holly up this place here. Okay, so I usually have these really cute, you know, pink flower, rosies, carnations, I think that's what they're, and I got these poinsettias from Dollar Tree, but they come off their little stem, and I'm going to put poinsettias in it. Pull off the poinsettias so you get more than a normal flower with poinsettias. Isn't that great? Okay, so how am I going to attach these? First of all, let me fix my thing here.
They should just kind of hang there, right?
Oh, they have little things to stick flowers in. On them.
Oh my gosh!
Yeah.
Oh, that's a nice attention to detail.
Little things kind of get eaten, but that's what you do. My gosh. See? They have little things. Look!
Oh,
to attach flowers.
Goodness. Here, let me set it up close.
I never knew they had these. Why are they perfect for these poinsettias? I got this greenery for my window from Amazon. How's that looking?
I love it. They look very natural. Do it.
The garden.
On the shelves?
Right here.
Or over it? Oh, I
it
see.
reaches across.
Does?
Yeah, it does.
How wonderful. Oh, so pretty. So beautiful. Oh, you got a little hanging down? Does it reach the other one?
How's that?
Ooh. Can it go off the way? Gotta get it around the guitar.
I'll pull this out. Oh, I can.
Oh, man. There goes the pineapples. You know, Vanna pineapples have peelings, too.
They sure do.
It went all the way.
You did.
Barbie can still see over it.
Take some painter's tape, because I won't leave any residue. Residue. Oh, is that look good? Okay, there we go.
I like how you put the star there.
Alright, we need this now.
I cannot remember what I did with my shelf brackets. I don't remember putting them in a box. They were heavy, I remember. You know me and my packing. I packed like perfection.
Yeah.
And since they were heavy, I would have hesitated to put them in many of the different boxes because I had breakable stuff in them. So I'm wondering if I didn't put it in a box at all. I just put it somewhere like on the side of my armoire or something. You know? Didn't actually take it out of the room at all. Oh, he's going through the snow. He's sledding through it. What's powering his sled? Or is he like going down a hill?
Magic!
Well, maybe he's going down a hill, so it's gravity. Magic? Or is he like, mush, gingerbread, mush? And the gingerbread's pulling it, but then the gingerbread's like turning. Gingerbread's pulling it.
What?
The gingerbread is pulling it. See? It's mush, mush. What kind of insanity is a snowman driving a sled pulled by gingerbread? Silly. Past a giant guard who's been standing so long, he's full of snow, past a house with Santa and Rudolph on the roof. Ooh, I like that. I like that. That gold looks good with the green slime. Ooh, very nice, very nice.
Hello! I have been working all day decorating, and just suddenly, I don't know if you can hear it, but the wind has picked up, and it got really cold, so we had to run outside. We had to get all our chores done because it was getting really cold outside and windy. And then I came back in, and I've just been decorating all day. I'm tired now. And I still didn't get it done. I almost got my room done. Because we still gotta, you know, decorate everything else. The Christmas tree, the living room, and stuff like that. So, yeah, I almost got it done today. I can't wait to show you, but, you know, I can't show you right now until it's done. I think it looks... A lot of it looks good. We didn't actually open the door for the chocolate advent candle. Why don't we do that? I didn't want to do it this morning when we did the coffee and this necklace, the jewelry one, because, you know, I didn't want to eat sweets. I don't eat sugar in the morning, so. There it is. It is by the Christmas Star.
No piece of chocolate in it.
Maybe it fell in here or something. Come on. Well, this was a very cheap advent calendar, and I did buy it because of the way that it looks. So, you know, I guess it's not perfect. The piece of chocolate probably fell somewhere in here or something. I don't know. Let's read the Bible verse. It's more important anyways. The angel Gabriel was sent from God to a virgin betrothed to a man named Joseph, and the virgin name was Mary. Luke 1, verse 26 through 27. The Bible verse is more important than the piece of chocolate anyways. The piece of chocolate's probably stuck in here. The word fed me. I'll put Mrs. Claus back there. I'll show it to you tomorrow because I'm not done with it. You can't see. You can't look at anything till the room tour tomorrow. So, yeah. Good night.